The edge cups are probably one of my favorite cups. These little cups are so versatile. And the top of them, there's a dome that forms a little shell. So it has a really good hand feel. It's almost like a stick shift or a joystick. You can move it around on the body and it just feels perfect. They come in about 4 different sizes. There's a very large size that's good for the big muscle groups, like the hamstrings, the quads, the hips, even some of the backs. And the sizes go down to almost about a quarter size. And those are perfect to put on the back of the neck, sometimes the front of the neck, even the smaller parts of the shoulder, the elbow, for those of you that has like tennis elbow, super good for that. Even some carpal tunnel where you get the pain in your wrist or some numbness in your wrist. These are super easy to pop on and then take them right back off if you want to, so it makes it great for static cupping where the cups are still, or dynamic cupping where you want to move around and get a larger body part. These cups are amazing, and you can put them on yourself, you can have somebody put them on you. These cups are made with a medical and food grade silicone, so these are some of the best, if not the best, on the market. They're not made with a bunch of chemicals that are going to break down and kind of get into the skin and pollute the environment. So these are amazing to use for almost anything that you can imagine.